Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us one more smartwatch from Boat and it's the Boat Watch Blaze. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how the performance is. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the model name Watch Blaze along with the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have the main features such as 1.75-inch HD display and the SPO2 monitoring. At the back we have some more features such as 24 hours of heart rate monitoring, text and social media notifications, sleep monitoring, multiple sports modes, cloud and custom based watch faces, 3 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant. You get call alerts with the quick replies and you have the camera and music controls. The MRP on the box is Rs 6,990. However, it will be available to purchase for Rs 3,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we get the smartwatch itself. And guys, my first impression is that this smartwatch looks a bit big and also a little bit on the heavier side. And that is mainly due to this metal body. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the warranty card and this smartwatch comes with the 1-year warranty. Then we have the Boat product catalog, a user guide, and in this you get the detailed info about the features. And then we get this Boat head sticker. Apart from that, in the box you get this magnetic charging cable which you connect at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Boat Watch Blaze is the largest display smartwatch by Boat, and in this smartwatch you get the high 500 nits brightness. In terms of the design and build quality, we have the metal body in this smartwatch, and the build quality wise you get a pretty decent quality. The straps are made up of good quality material and the smartwatch feels comfortable on the hand. You get the 22mm straps in this smartwatch and you can also replace them with the aftermarket straps. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.75-inch HD display. The smartwatch looks a bit big due to the larger display, and also you get the thick bezels at the bottom, which makes it even bigger on the hand. Looking at the right side, we have the function buttons to operate the watch. At the back we have the sensors, which includes heart rate and the SPO2 sensor, and below it we have the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, we like the build quality of this smartwatch, and design wise, the smartwatch is also good, but the overall profile of this smartwatch is on the bigger side. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Boat Hub and it's available for both Android and iOS platform. Pairing process is simple and you need to select the Boat Blaze from the list and also confirm the pairing request on the watch. And that's it, your smartwatch is now ready to use. So starting with the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And guys, you also have the option to add more watch faces through the app that I will show you in a moment. Now about the controls, swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings. And here we have the race to wake, settings of the watch, DND, torch, brightness and the alarm option. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history. You can access the quick apps by swiping either left or right on the watch face. And here we have the fitness data, heart rate, music, sleep and the weather. Pressing the bottom button will launch the workout option. And here we have the different workout modes. And guys, in total, you get 14 sports modes in this smartwatch. To access the main menu, you will need to press the top button once. And here I must tell you that even though the touch response is very good on this smartwatch, there is this lag in the menu and you will see minor stutters here and there. Now about the menu, so first we have the workout option and then we have the workout history. And here you can see the history of your workouts. And then we have the heart rate. And guys, the heart rate detection in this watch is fast and you also get the continuous heart rate monitoring. After the heart rate we have the SPO2 monitoring, and like other smartwatches in this segment, it takes some time but the data is fairly accurate. After that we have the activity record which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep, and here you have the details of your last night's sleep. After that we have the breathe menu, and here you can do some breathing exercises. And here you have the option of fast, relax and slow breathing pattern. Then we have the music option, and in this watch you can control the music on your phone and also you can increase or decrease the volume. Then we have the messages, which is the notification history. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. Then we have the usual stopwatch, timer and the alarm feature. After that we have the flashlight, which is again a pretty handy feature. Then in the menu we have the find phone option, which plays the ringtone on your phone. After that we have the camera, by which you can remotely control the camera on your phone. And for this, you need to enable it from the app. And also guys, it works with the native camera app on your phone. And then finally, we have the settings. In the settings, you can adjust the screen settings, which includes the watch faces and also the screen timeout. After that we have the night mode, D&D settings and the raise to wake feature. And guys, I find the raise to wake feature in this watch quite responsive, but it takes a little bit more time to wake up the screen. Then we have the vibration settings, brightness settings, and about the brightness on this watch is very good and you get 500 nits brightness, which is pretty bright, especially for outdoors. And then we have the system, which has the usual power off, restart and reset option. So that's all the features we have on the watch, and functionality wise, we think you're getting almost all the features in this smartwatch. But one thing we noticed here, that you don't get the stress monitoring in this smartwatch. Now, let me quickly show you the companion app Boat Hub. So the layout of the app is simple. You get today's fitness data on the top, and then below it, we have the heart rate, sleep, and the SPO2 data. You can also tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Looking at the settings, on the top we have the connected device and the remaining battery. And then below it, we have the watch face store. In this watch, you get 100 plus cloud-based watch faces. And guys, I find the watch face options pretty good. And the best part is that you also get the custom-based watch faces. And here I must tell you that you have a much better option for custom watch faces in this smartwatch. After that we have the general settings, and here you can enable call alert, 24 hours time format, auto heart rate detection, and the raise to wake feature. And then we have the alert, and here you can enable the idle alert and the drink water reminder. After that we have the app notifications, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And in this smartwatch, you can reject the call and also send a quick reply message. And guys, this quick reply option works with only calls and text messages, and it doesn't work with apps such as WhatsApp. And one more thing, you don't have the emoji support in this smartwatch. And finally in these settings, you can also edit the preset replies. So that's all the features we have in the companion app, and I think the app is user friendly and clutter free. So overall the Boat Blaze smartwatch offers a good design and build quality, though the size is a little bit bigger due to the larger screen, which could be a problem for females or if you have a smaller wrist. The display is bright and the performance is very good. There is a slight lag and stutter in the menu, which you will notice throughout different menu pages on this smartwatch. But again, the touch response is very good. The fitness data seems fairly accurate, but you get limited sports modes option in this smartwatch, and you only have 14 sports modes. The battery backup is also good, and with the modded usage, you can expect a weak battery backup. But honestly, we think this smartwatch is priced higher. Keeping in mind the features you get on this watch, it should be priced below 2500 rupees. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a well-built, large-screen smartwatch with all the necessary features, then you can definitely check out the Boat Watch Blaze. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Watch Blaze smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.